When it comes to trading, many people ask a lot of questions, but the main question that comes a lot is, can trading make you a millionaire? If you want to know the answer to that question, make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Let's go. Hey YouTube family, welcome back again. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So, can anyone be a millionaire by trading? I believe yes. Anyone can be a millionaire by trading. It's not something easy, but it's something very doable. You know, trading is a business. When you trade it like a business, you excel in it. So, you can be a millionaire by trading. I believe so, but I believe that it's not something that can be done so easily. You know, it demands hard work and a lot of effort. Not anyone can be a trader and be a millionaire. First of all, I believe that not everyone can even be a trader, because in order to be a trader, you have to be passionate about trading. You have to feel what's about trading, and if you don't feel it, you're going to trade, but you're not going to feel what other traders are feeling. And if you don't feel that, I don't think you can make a lot of money. And even if you succeed to make a lot of money, you won't be consistent, because trading is a job, it's a business. And when you do a job that you like, it's not like you're working, it's like you're having fun. For me, trading is an opportunity for everyone, for every traders to make money and to be millionaires, because I believe that everyone that trades right now, everyone that believes in trading, everyone that loves to trade, everyone that are passionate about trading can make money and will make money, but it's not easy. So it's about the process from A to B. So when I say the process from A to B is, let's take an example, like a beginner in trading. You're a beginner, you have a small account, and you want to be a millionaire. You know, you just start trading and you are new in this field and you don't know what trading is about exactly, but you are learning. And in your learning stage, you're starting to love trading, you're starting to have a passion about trading. So every time that you trade, you feel something about it, you feel excited. That's what it's about trading, something that you love to do and you do it for fun, but at the end of the day, you got a reward, and a reward here is making money. Everyone tries to make money. We don't trade because it's a hobby or stuff like that. No, we only try to make money, because at the end of the day, when you place a trade, the outcome is a loss or a win. So that's why we trade for. We don't trade because we're bored, we don't trade because we have anything to do. No, because if you do that, you're going to overtrade and you're not gonna follow your plan, and now you're going to have a bunch of losses, and that is things that you need to avoid. So I'm gonna give you guys what I think about the path to be a millionaire in trading. I'm not there yet, I'm far from there, but it's something that I've been thinking about lately a lot. And you know, in order to be in a certain position, you have to imagine that, you have to think about it, you have to manifest it. So that's what I'm doing by making this video, because I believe that I'll make money, a lot of money in trading, and I believe you guys also watching this video will make a lot of money, because I've been doing that for almost 2 years now, around 2 years. So, and a lot of stuff changed, a lot of stuff happened. And when I look at me right now and I look at me in the past, my strategy, the way I approach the market, everything changed. You know, everything changed. When I see my strategy that I used to trade, like first when I started trading, I was like, no, I can't believe I did that, because I didn't have a proper knowledge about trading. I didn't know what was price action, because the guy that taught me about trading was all about indicators. You know, his strategy was all about indicators, and I didn't know exactly what trading was about. Price action, market structure, all about that, pure trading. And what I did is that I have to relearn trading again by myself. I learned about price action by myself, I learned about market structure by myself, and it wasn't easy, and it took me a lot of time, a lot of time. So yes, you can be a millionaire by trading, but it's something that's not easy, and something that demands a lot of work and sacrifice, because you can be a trader, and if you have like a girlfriend or maybe a wife or a partner, trading demands a lot of time at the beginning, because you have to understand the craft, in order to master it, and in order to understand something you have to put the time. And sometimes you can be in front of your laptop for like hours and you may not spend time with your friends, with your families and stuff like that, but at the end of the day I believe it's something that is beneficial because you learn something that you love, and that's something that you love can also make you money. And if you make that money, you can take care of your family, of your partner, of your friends. You know what I mean? So yeah, at the end of the day, it's something not easy that demands a lot of work, a lot of patience also, because it doesn't come like that. I know traders that have been trading for like 5 to 8 years before to become profitable, and they have been really patient. They lost a lot of stuff, they lost a lot of money, but at the end of the day now, when I see them where they are at the level they are right now, I see the reward and I'm ready to put the time and the work. And if you're a beginner in trading, I'm telling you guys, make sure that you put the time and the effort, because it's gonna take a lot of time for some, but for other people it may take less than that. For some people it takes a few months or even a year or 2 years to be profitable, and for some it takes more than that, because people are different. It depends how you approach the market, and it also depends of how and it also depends on your personality. If you are a patient person, if you are an impatient person, also we can read that through the different trades that you're taking on the chart. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Make sure that you leave a comment down below, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.